The book focuses on various aspects of India. It talks about what are the investment opportunities which NRIs have in various states, which are the OIFC partner states. What are the incentives which the states offer to NRIs for investments. It also brings about certain key developments from a tax and a regulatory standpoint, be it foreign investment laws or be it in terms of transfer of remittance of money into India. And at the same time it also brings about the various state incentives, or what are the states, I would say each state has certain important features which it specializes in. So it brings out the specialization of the states and also gives an overview of the Indian economy. When we look at the Indian diaspora or the youth, we realize that a lot of them have a lot of expectations from India, and the focus of the Indian diaspora is good governance. It is how are the opportunities in India, what are the incentives available in India. So clearly they are the people who are looking at India in a big way, be it returning to India, or be it making investment in India, or coming back to the roots, or looking at how they can still continue their linkages with India. So also there are issues which these people look at when they look at investing in India, be it in terms of the taxation laws, or be it in terms of foreign investment laws or liberalization provisions. So that's what they're expecting and that's what they look at. OIFC has lots to offer, and it's a very unique forum, and so I have not experienced any such forum specifically which focuses on diaspora and giving them opportunities for India. The experience has actually been very good, and it's a mutual process. We benefit by being the thought leaders, and it's really insightful on for us to see how the people in the other side think. It helps us in interacting with various NRIs who are looking at India in a big way. So it's definitely been a mutually beneficial relationship, yeah.